What's up mga kabites? So today, maadto ta sa atong ginatawag na unlimited shrimps. It's their opening day today. It's a Wednesday. We're gonna try it out if it's really good, if it's worth $199, and if people are gonna go there, if it's worth every penny. It was actually a trending post on Facebook that I just saw. No one informed me about it. I didn't contact them about the details. I'm just here to try unlimited shrimps in Dumaguete for you guys. So I hope you watch me eat, and watch people eat. Not many of you may know I love spicy. Aside from spicy, I also love shrimps so much. Like tons of shrimp. I need to go there and see and try if it's really, really good. What's up guys? It's me again. I'm back! We are at Neris Foods and Catering Services to test out their unlimited shrimps. Eat all you can for 199 pesos.
Welcome to Neris Catering.
What's your process pag order me sa kanila shrimp?
Pay as you order. We give you an instruction. We have the policy there, dining policy. If you
No
have
sharing?
No sharing of drinks lang siya.
Okay.
Pay
Ako naman po di sa
So, muna siya kung magkuhan ka natay, bottomless nga iced tea, 50 pesos ang kanli natin
Okay.
is 199 only.
Okay, sige. So, mubayad na ko daan ka doon.
So, may mismo mo cook sa imong shrimp.
Oh, kabalog ko.
Naroon yung access.
Okay, thank you. Hindi ko kabalagin mo ito. While waiting sa ilang shrimps, they have buffet table where we can get some food. Napila siya sa 199. Oh, what they have? They have, oh, that's baboy. What is this? It's humba. Humok na baboy. Sisig. Pansit. It's pinakupsang baboy, whatever. And chicken. Okay, so let's get our food. Malugitas Anli. Go eat to shrimp. I'm testing out their nilatang baboy, shells. It's part of the 199 only, among other things. 199 pesos. I think that's a good deal. Now let's try the shell. You may notice that I didn't take rice. That's because whenever you're in an all-you-can-eat place, you never eat rice on the first plate. You won't get the full value of your money. Rice makes you full. You may get your rice on your second or third plate. Now I'm trying the sisig. Spicy. Some spring rolls. It's called lumpia in the Philippines. Wrapped pork, ground pork, something. I don't know. I don't really cook, but I think it's pork. It's really good. This is not sponsored, by the way. This lady gonna cook for me. Ta-da! Unlimited shrimp. What's your name, ate?
Jane.
Hi, Jane. So first we do the butter.
Butter seasoning. Kinapta na ko siya.
Okay, kinalang mahurot kami na tanan.
Okay, po ay
Naragamay. Okay.
Ano, ibutang ako ang shrimp.
Okay. So wala pa na siya tipla.
Wala pa. Ito na yung spicy na flavor.
Oh my god, that's your secret formula.
Okay.
Yun yan ang secret formula.
Yes, sir.
Unsa na inaan? Bili pa din.
Sekreto lang.
Sino si Mary?
Gusto siya yung tag-iya na sa atubangan. Gagama nga sa secret
Inyong
na
staff.
iyang brother. Sa
Okay.
pagtimpla.
Single ba si brother? Single ba daw si brother? Nakutana sila.
Yun na.
Ay, okay. So, hindi na to makuha ang sekreto ni brother. Sorry. It looks so good. so excited.
Pwede mo mahurot ni mo siya, sir. Pwede siya kung kamo kumag-
Oh my God. Pwede pa mudugang. Out of 199? Oh my God, wala limit sa oras.
Basta.
Hantod na may kong kadali. Wala pa ko i-violate so far. Okay. Gulat si ate nga na ako i-violate.
Okay. Na-check cook na siya, pero mas lami siya half cook.
Oh my God. Kanay nga natin ang color. Pwede na nakanan.
Oh, pwede na siya. Namigay na siya, sir. Kung yung sauce niya. Yan na siya sa rice.
Ganyan lang siya ganahan nga mag-rice ko para mabusog ko dayon. Charot. Kunyar ako mag-rice kaya mabusog ko dayon. Di ko ka sulit sa 199. Di ba? Gi-teach ko ni Jane paano pag-cook sa shrimp. Basically, guide na to siya kasi she can't cook for me the whole time. Di ba? But there are other customers. Sa'yo naman guys. So, dali na ka siya naluto. Mga 5 minutes naluto na siya. Yeah, 5 minutes naluto na siya. Nag-order ko ang bottomless ice. Di-boil na to siya. Na-pre-cook na to siya. Muna yung dali la. Okay, sige ko. Di mo ka pala maluto. Thank you. So, 199 ni mo. Wala pa ilabot ang only iced tea. So, in-order ko only refillable iced tea, which is 50 pesos. So far, I spent 249 pesos. They actually offer plastic gloves. Those who want to use their hands. Nag-wash na ako hands. Charot. I won't use the plastic gloves. They're annoying. I just prefer to use my hands. My disinfected hands. So, nakonsensya ko mag-disinfect na ako sa akong hands. I'm using wet wipes with alcohol or something. The first shrimp. Ta-da! I'll be cooking later if I need more. Taking my first piece of shrimp. The place is really small. People are coming here, trended on social media. Because who wouldn't want to come in unlimited shrimps, diba? It's the first time here in Pumagat. Apart from only shrimps, they have like rice, pancit, spring rolls, shells, and chicken, and more. It's a great deal for 199 pesos. You notice I took rice because the sauce of the shrimp is better with rice. A lot of people here and more are still arriving. It's around 11. Online it showed that they're gonna open at 10 a.m. They're closed at 10 p.m. We came here at 10 a.m. Good thing I came here early. I ate like last breakfast. People right now coming in still and not having enough seats. It's just sad for them because I'm enjoying this food. It's really great. Unlimited shrimp. I don't think I'll end soon. So, too bad for them, too good for me. Because I'm here early. Some people are having reservations, just stayed earlier and they'll just come back here. Some people are sitting outside. I think it's better outside because there's more wind. I'm here for the lighting. That one is so good. If you wanna come here and enjoy the food, come here like pair or just one person. You can join other tables. You're not that shy. So there are lines outside. They're waiting to be served. And people are still arriving. Like crazy. There are like 7 tables inside. There's already one table set up outside. almost 12 noon and I came here at 10 a.m. I've been here for 2 hours already. Eating 125 pesos per hour for me because there's 50 pesos for iced tea. Sulit. Sulit. So good. I'm done eating after 2 hours and there's still a lot of people here. And I'll pay for my iced tea, di ba? Wala tayo labot to, no?
Wala pa.
Sugan ako by 2 hours.
Wow.
Namin penalty, di ba? Bili na ako ng food.
Namin 150. Hindi siya mahurot.
Tanan.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Pwede siya mag-take out.
And then on normal days, apil na lang ako bang food
Yes, talaga po.
Okay. Tayo penalty pero ma-take out nimo or
Ma-take out siya dito.
pero na ka po penalty?
Yes, sir. Ma-take out siya.
Oh, okay. Siya si Naris. Hi!
Thank you sa ayo.
Okay, kasi dagat yung mga tao. Kumusta ang food? Gagpera mo? Okay. Dali na kay pre-cook naman na. Ganihan, gapaluto ko ni ate. May pasapit, kabalo siya mo luto. Okay. Hi! So, ikapila na lang yung kasat. Ganihan na magid mo diri. Sure ka, gabi na bye. Sulit tayo, 199. Okay, sige go. That's it guys. I enjoyed my unlimited shrimps for 199 pesos. Ilan na lang dilibre ang akong iced tea. So thank you Ma'am Neris. On Facebook they said na ma-open siya at 10 a.m. So I came there at 10 a.m. May pagtao, chill pa kayo. Mga 11, dagan na kayong tao kasi it's unlimited shrimps. That's very rare here in Dumaguete. I think shrimp na ka with shells, nilatang baboy, there's pancit, there's fried chicken. I think it's very sulit. I'll test out skin products, in a food channel. You'll never expect skin products to be tested. As we all know, singtanan din kayo ko if mag-eat ko and samot na ibiganahan ko. Ako i-test out karon ang akong product from Skin Foundry. I'll test it out kasi na ako ito and I need to be fresh. So muna siya ang product. It's Skin Foundry Hydrating Aloe Cucumber Face Mist. And then it's supposed to refresh, soothe, energize your skin, and also it's ideal for all skin types. So I have an oily skin. I'll just try it out. So this is Actually, I just came from my unlimited shrimps. I'm not gonna vlog today. I'm just gonna do an intro outro on my iPhone. So welcome. I'm just gonna show you that I'm here looking fresh because of Skin Foundry. Thank you, Skin Foundry, for making me look fresh. Thank you. Okay, bye. Thanks again for watching, guys. I hope you liked this vlog, and please follow me on all my social media. Everything is I am Noel Ricardo. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat. And please continue to subscribe for new content every Saturday. Yes, I strive so hard for a new Saturday content. So please subscribe. I actually left my tripod sa place. Let me just get my tripod at Neris Tempura. No, Neris Shrimps. So another product I have to, wait, sorry. Another